Hi, welcome. Today I discuss about benefit of the pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed may be small, but they are packed full of valuable nutrients. Raw, fried or sprout pumpkin seed are both delicious. With any of these options, you will want to decide if you are going to eat the pumpkin seed with the shell or without. The American Heart Association recommended having a quarter cup 30 gram of pumpkin seed every day as a part of healthy diet. Health benefit of pumpkin seed: powerful antioxidant, improve heart health, protect from cancer, help in management of diabetics, immunity boost, improve quality of sleep, good for prostate, good for weight loss, improve sperm quality, very high in fiber. Number 1. Powerful antioxidant. Carotenoid and vitamin E are antioxidants found in pumpkin seed. Antioxidant can reduce inflammation and protect your cell from harmful free radical. Because of this, consume food rich in antioxidant can help protect against many difficult diseases. Number 2. Improve heart health. Pumpkin seeds are excellent for our heart function. They include antioxidants that protect our health from a number of symptoms. Magnesium in pumpkin seed help to lower our blood pressure. Magnesium also lower bad cholesterol level and triglyceride. This reduces the risk of heart disease. Number 3. Protect from cancer. Consume pumpkin seed in the good amount, reduce in the risk of gastric, breast and colorectal cancer. This is due to presence of powerful antioxidant in the seed. Carotenoid in pumpkin seed also prevent prostate cancer. Number 4. Help manage of diabetes. Pumpkin seed are rich in magnesium. Magnesium helps to lower blood sugar level, which is beneficial for people with diabetes. Number 5. Immunity booster. Pumpkin seed oil has a high concentration of omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin E and other antioxidants for a trusted source. Vitamin E helps to strengthen the immunity system and maintain healthy blood vessels. The ODS recommended eating seed as a source of vitamin E. In addition to zinc and iron in pumpkin seed, which are the both value for immunity function, pumpkin seed possess antifungal and antiviral properties. Pumpkin seed are also not a common trigger of allergies and intolerance. Number 6. Improve quality of the sleep. If you have trouble sleeping, you may want to eat some pumpkin seed before bed. They are a natural sources of tryptophan and amino acid. They can help promote sleep. Number 7. Good for prostate health. Pumpkin seed can alleviate the symptom of benign prostate hyperplasia (BPH), a condition in which the prostate gland enlarges and causes urination problem. Several studies found that eating this seed reduces symptoms that are associated with BPH. Number 8. Good for weight loss. Pumpkin seeds are rich in protein and fiber. They make us feel full for a long time. reduce our food intake, and finally reduce the number of calories consumed. This helps in reduce of weight. Number 9. Improve palm quality. Lower zinc levels are associated with reduced palm quality and increased risk of infertility in men. Since pumpkin seeds are a rich sources of zinc, they may help improve palm quality. Number 10. Very high in fiber. Dietary fiber is found in pumpkin seed. A single 28 gram serving of whole seed contains 5.2 gram of fiber. A high fiber diet can help you maintain healthy digestive health. High fiber diet have also been linked to low risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes and obesity.